up, y'all? It is me, LaNiesha-Jopré, back with another video. So I'm super excited for today's video. I've been waiting for this package to come for forever, thanks to our homegirl Rona.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus!
It's finally here. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna be unboxing some stuff from Adore Me. So I'm super excited because I've never ordered from here before. This is my first time getting anything from Adore Me. So I thought I should unbox it on here for you guys and let you know what I'm thinking. Let's get into it.
Yeah, get into it!
Alright, so when you open the box, it looks like this. It says, Adore Me, you have great taste, and I like to think so too. This packaging is so cute, and then they have all this stuff inside. I did try to get a different range of things just because I know Adore Me does have more than just like bra and underwear. They have bathing suits, loungewear, lingerie, just like, you know, regular pajamas, stuff like that. So I wanted to get a couple different options from that. I did get a couple bathing suits, I got a lingerie set, and then I got just like some bra and underwear. So we're gonna see. So the first thing that I'm gonna open up is the Kimmy push-up. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed already. Like, do you guys see that? Look at this detailing. This is so pretty and so cute. So it's like beige underneath, or like nude, and then it has some black lace all around it. This is so cute. It is a push-up, so it does kind of have like some padding on the inside, which, you know, I love a good push-up. But yeah, so there's padding in here. It's super soft. I feel like this is gonna be really comfortable. And then the straps look like this. So how cute is that? Oh my gosh. And this is the bag. I can't wait to try this on. Like, and then to match are these bottoms, which are also so cute. Like, this design is everything. That's the back, this is the front. So it has a little bow. I just love this detailing. Oh, so freaking cute. Okay, so the next thing I got, I think I'm gonna butcher how you say it, but I think it's Pachi Contour. It's like a bra and underwear set as well. Hopefully I said that right, but it looks like this. I got it in blue. I never had like a bra that was kind of like, you know, like went lower down, so I think that's super unique, and I love this. Like, what? This is so cute. So it does have like more hooks in the back, which I think is cool. It looks kind of like a little corset kind of thing. It has like little flowers in the lace, and oh, it just looks so cute. And it's like mesh on the side, so it's a little bit see-through. The inside, this kind of reminds me of like a bathing suit material, but at the same time it's really soft, so I feel like it'll be really comfortable. So these are the bottoms. I also really love this set because I don't have any like underwear that are blue, and I think this is so cute. There's also bows right here. I just feel like the detailing on their stuff is so cute. Like, it's small and simple stuff, but it really just all adds up, you know what I'm saying? Especially because we're just quarantined in this house. I'm about to just be out here in my room, cute, dolled up, since I can't go anywhere else. So the next thing I got is kind of like a lingerie set. It's called the Mona Lisa Unlined. So it looks like this. Oh my gosh, this is such a pretty color. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's like a little dress, if you could see, and it comes with a matching thong as well. This is so cute. Oh, I can already see it. I can already see it. I'm gonna be walking around my room like I am just that girl. This is so adorable. Now I get why it's Adore Me. Look at this. Oh, I don't know what it is, but I'm obsessed with these like bows that they use on all their stuff. I think it's just so cute. I can't wait to try this stuff on. Okay, so the next thing I got is a bathing suit. It's called the L Couture, and I got it in a small. So this is the top. Oh, I love this. It's like one shoulder strap and the detailing in the middle. I think that is so cute. It does have padding inside, so I like that. I like my bathing suits to have like a little bit of padding in it. So this is so cute. This is the back. I can't wait to try these on for you guys to see like what they look like on. This is so cute. And these are the bottoms. Also really cool. I like how this side has like straps and then this side doesn't. Like I'm really feeling this like one shoulder, one strap. I'm really feeling this one strap like sided design stuff. Like I think it's really cute, and I don't have anything like that. So the last thing I got is also a swimsuit. It's called the Brinley Contour. It looks like this. It's a one piece, which I'm excited about because I don't really have one piece bathing suits. So I think this will be new for me and I'm really feeling it. So it is like cheetah print and I just love the designs on it. This is what the back looks like. It's like an open back with straps. Yes, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. That is everything that I got. I am gonna start trying some of this stuff on because I feel like, you know, just unboxing it was not doing it enough justice. I want to show what it looks like on so you guys can really see how cute this stuff is. So this is the first one, you guys. This is so cute. Like what? This is so cute. This detailing is everything. I love it. I feel so cute in it. Yes. Okay, here is the next one. So adorable. Like what? I love it. I love it. I love the color, the details. This is just, it really makes me feel confident. Like I really feel like I'm doing something out here. Okay, so this is the next one. I am covering up just a little bit because I don't want certain things to show, obviously. But this is so cute. It has a little slit on the side, which I feel like is just the cutest touch to this. I really feel like so confident and cute in this. Like, ugh. I'm obsessed. I just love this, you guys. I think this might be my favorite one so far. Definitely. Okay, so here we have the bathing suit. This is so cute. Like I said before, I love this design. Like I feel like it's a really nice touch. I think the only negative thing I could say is some people might not like the padding that's in the tops, but I don't mind it personally. I think it's really cute. I just really love this detailing. Like I keep saying it, but it's so cute and I'm obsessed. Like I don't know. The back is pretty like covered, so it's not too cheeky, you know. I don't know. I just okay, and here is the last one. You guys, I feel like I'm being dramatic, but there has not been one thing that I did not like from this haul. Like, not one. I'm obsessed with each and every thing that I picked out, literally. Obsessed. Like, how cute is this? How cute. I don't know. All I can say is adore me. You're a 10 for me. Like, I can't wait to hit up the beach once everything opens back up and just be cute. Yes. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it and I'm feeling myself. Alright, so that is the end of my Adore Me unboxing and try-on haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. I will put the link to Adore Me and all the items that I got today in the description box. So if you saw any that you thought were cute, feel free to go check it out. I think Adore Me, I don't know, I adore it. I adore me, okay? It's a 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs up, 5 stars for me. And you guys can let me know down below what you thought or what your favorite one was. I still think my favorite, honestly, I literally loved every one of them. Like, I'm not just saying that. I literally love every one of them. I definitely will be purchasing from Adore Me again, okay? So I don't know, you guys let me know what you think, if you agree, if you thought everything was cute, or which one was your favorite. I literally loved all of them. I felt so cute and sexy and confident in each and every single thing that I put on. But yeah, this has been fun, guys. This has been fun, the highlight of my quarantine so far. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends and family and anybody else, and I'll see you next time.